Welcome to the demo lecture of demo video of VCC assignment 3 Docker configuration and application deployment. Here I have made three container one container number one where I have installed Nginx web server, container two where I have installed a MySQL database, and container three. So first I will show the network configuration of all the containers. Let's open terminal, then type the docker. Yes. Hmm. 1 minute. Let's see. Docker. Yes. Here we can see that I have created three container one, container two, and container three. In container one, we can see that I have created a Docker file and index.php file, where basically I contain a application where we will insert the data of students in uh, in basically in container 2. This is image, and here we have created docker file, and we have initialized in mysql. If there is not my database, then we have created it, and then we have used the database to insert data in student table. And third is just a we have just created docker file from which we will build the container. So basically we have used this command, docker build -t m22c015 m22c0. We have gone to the directed location and build our images using this command. Then basically we have created a network name Vishal, and we will inspect that now. Docker network inspect Vishal. Oh, sorry. Docker. Here we can see that our our three containers, container m22ch01501 and 03 and 02, is connected to the network Vishal. Then we will show the accessing web application from container row number 3. So first we will run our container 3 m22ch01503 using this command. Let's run it. We have run it. Then we can access our container 1 using links. I have stored links in the container 3. So here we can see that we can see our web application deployed in container m22c0151 uh, with the help of container 3. Here we can enter the name of student. Let's enter Ayush, enter class like 12, row number 56, marks 45, and we can see after submit we can see this detail in the database. Let's now access our web application from the host. We will come here. This is 172.31.41.252 is basically my system IP address where I have built the container. Let's see. Here we can also insert the data of the student here, like Ishita, class, MTech PhD, row number 46, marks 100, submit, and we can see our record in the database. I have created a GitHub repo where I have uploaded all the codes, and I have also written step by step how we can run this code. Thank you for listening to the demo.